Hi everyone, this is Michael from hardwaregeeks.com, and as you can see from the reflection in the DIR-685 from Dlink, I'm a huge Mets fan. But anyway, this video is just a quick video to show you guys how to install a notebook hard drive. Right here I have in my hand the Seagate 500 gig notebook hard drive. I believe it's the Momentus. Yep, it's the Momentus 7200.4. So I'm going to install this drive into the Dlink DIR-685 just to show you guys how easy it is. So I'm going to flip it over, and there's a little door here that opens up, and you will install the drive with the sticker facing towards you. Just slide it in, push it in, it's installed, it's connected, and now you have a NAS device in your hands. To eject the drive, there's a button right here. You just push it and push it again, and it'll push the drive out the rest of the way, and you just slide it out. So there you have it. That's how you install a notebook hard drive onto your DIR-685.